Dear students, it is next heading Laplace transform of integrals. What is listen here, see the difference. And if you see the heading there, it is integration of Laplace transform. It is the integration of Laplace transform. And you may think I have not done any problem, right? Since many may feel difficult in integrating double integration, and there are very less number of problems, 1 or 2 problems available. That's why I left. Okay. So it is the integration of Laplace transform. Next comes Laplace transform of integration. Next, which is next heading, Laplace transform of integration. L of integration. So see, L of f of t is equal to f of s. We know. Then L of integral 0 to t f of t dt is L of f of t by s, or 1 by s into L of f of t. So Laplace transform of integral 0 to t f of t dt is 1 by s into L of f of t. Okay. Let us do find Laplace transform of, we know that, which is 1 by s into L of f of t. 1 by s into L of, this is our f of t, right? Entire term is our f of t here. F of t dt. It is our f of t. So we have to find L of sin t by t, which comes under Laplace transform of f of t by t model, right? So we know L of f of t by t is integral s to infinity L of f of t ds. When limit t tends to 0, f of t by t exists. So first you check whether limit of the function exists. Then you find L of sin t by t. And hence see integral s to infinity L of sin t ds, which is by integration tan inverse of, it is 1 by a tan inverse of s by a, where a is 1. Okay. 1 by 1 tan inverse of s by 1. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s. So answer of Laplace transform. Now listen here. I have got answer of L of sin t by t. I substitute the answer here in first equation. 1 by s into the answer. 1 by s into the answer. And do you know, to do problems of this model, you should know all the methods what we have discussed earlier. First shifting property, then L of t into f of t, then L of f of t by t, all the models. If you know all the model, you can do this method, okay? So you can do this method only when you know the earlier methods, okay? Let us see second problem. See, find L of e power minus t into f of t. It is not simply L of, right? It is not simply L of integral 0 to t. L of e power minus at into f of t. First shifting property. So here it is L of e power minus t into f of t. This integration is our f of t now. F of t changes, okay? F of t changes. It is our f of t, entire integration and terms integration, which is f of t. So where in place of a we have, s tend to s plus a. In place of a we have 1. So s tend to s plus 1. Okay. Mark it as first equation. First you find the answer of this part. Okay. In order to find the answer, L of integral 0 to t f of t dt is 1 by s into L of f of t. That is 1 by s into L of sin t by t. Just now we have found from the previous problem. From the previous problem, this is pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s. So after finding answer of this part, substitute this answer in our first equation. Finally replace s by s plus 1, which complete problem. So you can see here we have used first shifting property as well as f of t by t model, right? So if you know the methods what we have discussed earlier, this method will be easy, okay? So it is Laplace transform of integral. We know Laplace transform of integral 0 to t is 1 by s into L of f of t. Our f of t is t into e power minus t into sin t. So first you find the answer, substitute it in the first equation. So first let us use t into f of t model. T into f of t. Now we use e power minus t into sin t, first shifting property. When we have product of functions, we know how to do, right? It is first shifting property. Find Laplace transform, replace s by s plus 1, differentiate, you will find the answer. Substitute the answer in the first equation, problem over. Okay? Can see substitute the answer in the first equation, it is over. Okay? Next you see, I have given you few problems as homework. Okay? Three problems as homework, which complete this model. Okay? Okay, listen here, ma. Next comes next method. Evaluation using Laplace transform. So there are many methods in Laplace transform, okay. So I have given you heading by heading neatly. See, evaluate integral 0 to infinity. Find the value of the integral is the question. So if you find value of integral, it comes application of Laplace transform. So you cannot find value of the integral by any other method, right? But using Laplace transform, you can find the value of integral. The value of the integral is 12 by 169. Okay. So which is an application. So we know that integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt, which is L of f of t. Let us take the same integral. In place of s we have 2 and in place of f of t we have t into sin 3t. So L of t into sin 3t, s tend to 2. Listen here, you should not write s tend to s plus 2. It is not first shifting property, okay. So in first shifting property we do L of e power minus at into f of t is L of f of t s tend to s plus a, s minus a, right. Here we should not do. Here by comparison we write. By comparison, in place of s I have 2, in place of f of t I have t into sin 3t. So in place of f of t into sin 3t, after finding Laplace transform, if anyhow we know the Laplace transform of this one will be function of s. That's why we say L of f of t is capital F of s. After finding answer in s, replace s by 2, you will get the value of the integral. So to do this method, you should know the methods what we discussed earlier, okay? Otherwise you cannot do. So now we find L of t into sin 3t, t into f of t, which is minus d by ds of L of f of t, right? T to the power 1, that's why negative sign. Our f of t now is sin 3t. See how f of t changes, right? When you use this formula, our f of t is this one. When you use this formula, our f of t is this one. Differentiate, get answer. Substitute answer in first equation, replace s by 2, you will meet this answer. So the value of the integral is 12 by 169, which is an application of Laplace transform, okay? So evaluate integral 0 to infinity e power minus 2t. Find the value of the integral is the question. Let us use definition of Laplace transform. In place of f of t we have this one. In place of s we have 2. Find the answer of this one, finally replace s by 2. To find the answer of this one, this is of the model L of f of t by t. So we use L of f of t by t formula only when limit of the function exists. So first you find limit of the function. It exists. Now you find L of f of t by t model. And there is no direct formula for Laplace transform of sine square t. Write sine square theta formula. Find Laplace transform. Integrate. Then do simplification, which is similar. I need not explain, right? Then find it. Find answer. Then you see integral 0 to infinity 1 by 2 log of, right? So you substitute this answer in first equation. Replace s by 2. It is 8. Root of 8 by 2. Root of 8 is, what is root 8? Root 8 is 4 into root 2. Sorry, root of 4 into 2, which is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 by 2, which is root 2. Root 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2. We know log a power b is b log a, right? Log root 2. 2 power 1 by 2. Already there is 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 log 2. Okay. So you have to do similar problems, homework, okay. I need not do more number of sums because you need practice. I have done more number of problems in the earlier methods. If you know those methods, you can do these problems easily, okay. So I give you these problems as homework. Before going through next heading, I stop here. You complete homework sums, okay.